Okay, you're putting in the work, you're grinding, making videos, learning new techniques, but somehow the big jobs aren't coming in. Why? What's missing? The answer is simple. It's not just about making videos, it's about making better videos that lead to better jobs, which lead to higher rates and more money and fulfillment. I'll show you how to do that today. But before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment. What's the biggest challenge keeping you from landing higher paying clients? Let's talk about it. Most video creators focus on making visually impressive videos. Here's the problem. Businesses don't hire you because they need cool. They hire you because they need a solution. Your videos have to be more than cinematic. They have to be charismatic. So think about it. If a client spends $5,000 on a video, they expect to make at least $10,000 back. If your videos aren't driving action, whether it's sales, signups, or engagement, clients aren't going to pay you premium rates. Your job isn't just to make something that looks good, it's to make something that works. So how do you start making videos that get you paid? It comes down to 3 key shifts. Number 1, hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. A powerful opening moment, a soundbite, or a question that makes the audience lean in. Don't start with logos or slow build-ups. Jump straight into the action. Number 2, structure your story like a pro. Too many creators just stitch cool clips together and call it a day. But the highest paid video pros know every great video has a structure. Even short form content should have a clear beginning, a middle, and an end. Number 3, call to action really matters. If your video doesn't tell the audience what to do next, it's just noise. Every piece of content should have a clear next step, whether it's to subscribe, click a link, or maybe even buy a product. Look, your visuals don't matter if your story doesn't land. The top creators, the highest paid filmmakers, they know this already. And the good news, you don't need bigger budgets or fancy gear to apply this to your work. But you do need a process, a roadmap for turning unscripted moments into powerful stories that hook an audience and drive action. That's exactly what I teach inside my free workshop. If you're serious about making videos that actually bring in better jobs and higher rates, then watch my free workshop, Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos. I'll walk you through the exact framework I use to craft high-impact unscripted videos that clients actually pay you for. Hit the link below, watch the free training, start turning your videos into money-making businesses. Ready for the takeaway? The shift is simple. Stop making videos, start telling stories, because videos that connect, convert, and create action, those are the ones that get you paid. If you want to go deeper, my master course, Start with Story, End with Wow, teaches you how to master this process step by step. And if you're ready for personal feedback on your work, my one-on-one coaching will take your skills to the next level. So hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the one thing you're going to apply in your next video? Let's talk about it. And don't forget to watch my free workshop right now. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.